let's bring your videos to life. In this episode, you'll learn how to choose the perfect AI avatar and voice to match your message and audience. Colossyan offers an extensive library of professional AI avatars and voices available in more than 70 languages. You can also easily create a personal AI avatar within minutes, as well as clone voices from your own voice recordings. If you want to create your avatar, you have two options: Instant Avatar or Studio Avatar. To create an instant avatar, all you need is footage of you from your phone camera and take less than 5 minutes. For studio avatars, you need to record them professionally in a green screen and takes a few weeks to prepare. And yes, the quality is much better for studio avatars. Now, if you want to add an avatar to your video, you can go to Avatar tab, and there you will have a filtering system at the left, and on the right you have all the avatars that are available for your plan. Before picking your avatar, you need to specify the angle of the avatar, which you can change any time from the settings panel on the right. When the avatar is added to your scene, you can preview his voice on the script box, and if you don't like it, you can edit and change your voice here at the top of the script box. We have a quite rich avatar library, and some avatars have certain features. Make sure to select the feature you want to use on the left side inside the Avatar tab. Colossyan lets you add multiple avatars to your videos. This opens a whole new world of creating videos where you can use more than 2 avatars to demonstrate different scenarios. If you select the right angles, you can create dialogue between 2 avatars. Now let's talk about voices. Inside the editor, you can find your selected voice at the top of the script box next to the avatar icon. In here, you can browse the library of our voices and select the one you like most. You can also create your own voice and use it on your videos. To do that, just click on the Create a Custom Voice button and follow the instructions. You already know that you can preview your voice inside the script box, but another thing that you can do is download the audio file without having to generate the video. Simply hit the download button. Nice! Now your videos look and sound amazing. Up next, we'll add interactivity to keep your viewers engaged.